drift.
You know, I never thought I would have to, but I think we should have asked him how to pop the hood.
It's got the hood.
Is it?
Oh, it's latched? Oh, I didn't see the arrow pins. We don't work on drift cars much. This came here because the clutch is gone in it. I can only assume why the clutch is gone in it. He got a twin disc, which I warned him about that destroying whatever's behind here. He's not concerned about it. He's just going to replace whatever breaks. A little more. Oh, that's it.
So you think the exhaust is gonna have to come off?
Oh yeah. Well,
There's not a single brace or anything going under the exhaust, so we can just unbolt it off the manifolds, loosen these so we can twist them.
yeah. I love how the bolts go up because this cat's right here. We should ask him if he needs his cat.
Yeah, man, you want to see if he wants to put aftermarket exhaust on it while it's here?
Might as well. It's a drift car. What's he going to do with it? You could sell those.
And finish it on the side.
We've advised him that this is probably overkill for the car and could definitely cause damage to the transmission, drive shaft, diff, axles, all that. But he said that's cool. Drift life.
Well, look at the other side. Tell me how that comes off.
Remove the left hand
O2 sensor.
sensors and catalyst monitor. Wow, look at these diagrams, bro. Look at this. Fancy shit. It's all 3D modeled and shit.
Come on, squirters!
Ooh, I don't know if I can get that up there.
Kersnap.
Got sheared right off.
Sheared. Oh, hey, it would probably help if you shook it, bro.
I did shake it, bro.
I didn't hear any balls rattling.
Come on, squirters!
Yeah, I definitely shook it so the ball rattled. Hold on, it's coming up. Why are you going up there?
To get the manifold bolts.
We're taking this cat off. This is the right-hand cat.
Oh,
Now we take that O2 sensor off, so spray that O2 sensor. Buggy. You're the one that read it.
sorry for assuming that this design is the same on both sides.
Tis not. Tis not. Allie. Jesus Christ.
Oh, this is gonna be fun to put back in. The job calls for whatever, 6 or 8 hours or whatever the f it is because of taking out this O2 sensor.
All right, let's go down.
Oh, to get that bolt off the cat?
Yep. Up.
No.
Yeah, just stand there.
Infinitely adjustable.
Oh yeah. You dumb.
Well,
What'd you do?
broke the,
Oh yeah, those are weak.
Yeah, you gotta put just a wobble extension on it. You always be using them shitty wobbles. There you go.
All right. Hopefully this
She's
works
broken
now.
loose. That's dope.
I didn't take it off. Perfect. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, let me just die.
It's bound to happen today. What? What'd you say, man? Ugga-dugga.
Reverse ugga-dugga. Trying to see how I'm gonna take this shifter out. Zone ugga-dugga. Zip zip. Drop. Do we need to get up?
Yeah.
Keep the tail tilted down. Whoa! Oh my god! Surprise!
What do you mean you can't reuse my pressure plate? Oh yeah, there's more behind the flywheel.
More treasures!
Yeah.
Buried treasure!
Breathe.
Inhale.
What are you checking out?
I was trying to guess on what's gonna break first. I think it's gonna be the drive shaft. Okay. Thank you.
It's raining. That works? Oh, wait. Stuff. No. And you should see what we're putting on.
Or the plates just have to orientate a specific way.
Then why not dowels?
Because that's easier.
Sure. Whatever he says. Don't film this.
Don't film this.
What'd you do? Sifting for gold?
Chunks.
Oh no.
Yeah.
People don't realize how many metal shavings are actually in their car. Yes. Four hours later.